Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's been a minute. So today's video I'm going to show you something which is so good. And before I get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, you share my video. As you know, sharing is always good. Like and comment. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. So today's video I'm just going to show you the mask, the face mask that I used like now for a few days. It has really helped me get rid of oily face. You know, at the beginning I had a problem with my face. Like, the face can get oily just like that without even applying any oil on it. I don't know what was wrong with it. I don't know, just like that. And then I would look like I've applied the oil on my face, yet I have not applied anything. Guys, it was so bad. But since I started using this black mask, as you can see how it is. It is black mask. It's supposed to be like this black mask. So this is for the face. If you can see that, yeah, it's only for the face, and it can be used by men and women. So let's get, let me show you how it looks. It's black, as you can see. So that's how it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to apply on the face, but you have to be careful with your eyebrows. You don't smear it to affect the eyebrows. You just have to be careful, because if it touches the eyebrows, it will go with it. So, or like time for removing it, it will be difficult to remove it, and you know it is painful to remove it when it dries. And when you're applying, you have to massage it on your skin. You have to massage it very well, so you don't just leave it that way. You be careful with your hair. Be careful you don't touch your hair. So we are done with applying it. By the way, I didn't show you how it sticks. Okay. It is sticking like, so we are going to give it like 5 to 8 minutes to dry, and then we check it out. So this, it has to dry, just to dry completely so that it can be easy to remove it. So how do I look? Okay, let's check it now whether it is ready. Yeah, As you can see how it is coming out when it is dry. So that is how it's supposed to dry and easy to remove it. You can see. So that is how I remove it. So I'm about to get finished. So that is it. After I remove it, that's how my face will look. It really leaves my face fresh and soft, as you can see. So just simple as that. So that is a black mask that has really helped me with my oily face. Makes me look good, makes me feel my face, so kind of thing. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. See you again in the next video. Bye.